So I want to create an effect like this.
And right now we have a 0, 0, 0 here, and we have a.
And we saw that I actually draw a box across these three switches, and also emphasize this three switch is 0, 0, 0. And this effect can be achieved using the so-called punting creator. And the software I'm using is Corel Video Studio 2018. And there is more convenient way to do in the later version, but at least in this version, I think this is the way right now I'm doing it, and some ways introduced for the later version does not work, because if we play like this,
and right now we have a 0, 0, 0 here, and
we saw that 0, 0, 0 immediately disappeared, and our duration here is 2 seconds, and if we want to freeze this last frame and make it a little bit longer, it's very difficult to do that. And in some of the online documentation, it said that you can drag this last frame, but it actually does not work for me. So I think a great workaround is I will show you right now. So let's start from scratch. Let's delete that box as well. So for example, in my video, I want to start
0, 0 here, and right now we have a other number, and right now.
So starting from this moment, I want to draw a box across these three switches, and then start saying 0, 0, 0. And in order to do that, we basically at this moment we start the punting creator, and then at this moment we select the pencil, and also this color I want is the red color. The stroke size basically can make it a little bit larger, and this stroke size is okay, but if I want to make it a little bit bigger, I can lock the width and height by click that, and then I can increase the stroke a little bit. Okay, this might be too large. And okay, so starting from this moment, I can choose to make it a still image, or I can make an animation. And all the animation that I created before is kind of stored here. And just to show you guys, I can click on the start recording, and then I can start drawing the box. And then I can start drawing 0, 0, and 0. This is kind of 3 seconds. So if we play it back, that will be showing on the video itself. So I'm gonna delete this because I do want to use some of my previous thing that I draw. So previously I had this as a photo, this box, because I don't want to actually play the box. So I'll add this photo, and this is kind of a box that I can put into overlay track 1, where I can see that if I play right now, it's,
and right now we have 000 here.
So and in my pan creator, actually I also have this 000 that created as an animation mode. I can actually drag it here at overlay 2, and the effect right now is,
and right now we have 000 here, and
I do want that 000 to stay for a little bit longer, and the workaround to do that is basically you can go to here and you can take a snapshot, or not snapshot, but go to the painting creator again, and basically right now this is the sort of record video mode, and the previous 000 play animation mode that I created is this 000, and what you need to do is to right click here and click on transfer animation item to still, and this will create a corresponding photo, and when you click OK, you will see there is a PNG created. So all the photos are transparent photos are PNG, and all the short duration videos are UVP. And when you drag this photo here, it will stay as long as you can drag this longer or shorter as you want, but I'm gonna stop that 000 to a point where I start talking about the other 3 switches. So right now let's have a preview.
And right now we have 000 here, and we have a 100 here, and
okay, so that's a little bit longer, so you can reduce that, and then
right now we have 000 here, and we have a 100 here.
okay, and if you want that box to stay a little bit longer, you can also drag it. So all the PNG is free to drag, but in this version of Corel Video Studio, it cannot drag the last frame of USP. I believe in the latest version you can just drag it as if you are dragging the PNG.
Right now we have 000 here, and we have a 100 here.
Alright, thank you very much.